Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are making a delicious pot of ogbono soup. Rich, flavorful and absolutely irresistible. So let's get started. For this recipe, we'll be using beef, dried fish, fried mackerel fish, ogbono as the main ingredients, along with stockfish, pomo, and fresh uziza leaf. First, we'll start by cooking the meat. Add the meat into a pot, then add onions, seasonings, and salt. Cover and allow it to cook until it releases its natural juice. Once the meat has released its juice, open the pot and add some extra water. Then add the stockfish, pomo, and additional seasonings to taste. Cover and continue cooking. While that is cooking, let's prepare the fish. Pour hot water over the dry fish to soften it. Then carefully remove the bones. If this is your first time here, I want to especially thank you for clicking to watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also click the like button for me, okay? After you have subscribed, there is a bell. Click that bell. That way you will be the first to know anytime I upload a new video, alright? And to my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. So next, I debone the mackerel fish and break it into smaller pieces, which is optional. You can choose to add them just the way they are, but I choose this method because I want the soup to be well loaded. So that in every scoop with my fufu or garri, I get a generous mix of fish and meat. Okay. Once that is ready, I also had some leftover dried goat meat, which I soaked to soften. Now, back to our meat. It is about 80% cooked, so I transferred into a bigger pot. Then I added the dry fish and the meat along with enough water to continue cooking the soup. Cover and allow to cook more. Next, I prepared my uziza leaves. I washed them thoroughly and sliced them into smaller pieces. Now for the ogbono, I added some red oil and used it to mix the ogbono until smooth. Back to the pot, the meat is now fully cooked. I added crayfish blended with fresh pepper. Stir beautifully to combine. Then I placed the plate of mixed ogbono over the boiling pot. This helps it to warm up and dissolve easily without I added extra seasonings and salt, then stirred. Finally, I added the ogbono into the pot and mixed thoroughly. As you can see, the soup is quite thick, so I added water to loosen it up. It's always better to add water gradually after adding the ogbono, so you can control the consistency to your preference rather than adding too much water at the beginning and ending up with a watery spoon. So take note of this. Look at how beautiful the soup looks. Smooth, drawy, and completely free of lumps. I also noticed it was getting a bit too thick, so I added a little more water to loosen it slightly. Cover again and allow it to cook. Once it comes to boil, add the mackerel fish, cover it, let it cook for a few minutes. Finally, add the uziza leaves. These leaves is a game changer. The aroma it adds to the ogbono soup is absolutely amazing. If you don't like uziza leaves, you can substitute with ugu leaves or even bitter leaf. Now, allow it to cook for a few more minutes, and just like that, our soup is ready. Serve and enjoy with your favorite swallow, whether it's a bao, fufu, or any swallow of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments, did you enjoy this recipe? If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipe. Support your girl by subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.